Hey guys, my name is Trina. Today's video is going to be an easy holiday glam makeup tutorial using the Urban Decay Naked Cherry palette. If this is your first time here and you want to learn more about makeup, click subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. My lids are primed. This is the eyeshadow palette that I will be using today. To start off for a transition shade, I'm going to use this shade right here. That is called Caution. It's like a light taupey shade right here. The name of it is Caution. And that's going to go right into my crease. Next, I'm going to take this shade right here. It is called, it's Bling. It's like a pinky shade right here. So that is going to go on my outer corner to my crease. And let me just say right now, I don't know what look I'm going to create. I'm just like experimenting with this eyeshadow palette since it's new or whatnot. So yeah, so I'm going to take my same crease brush and dip into Bling shade right here. And put it, whoa, look at all this. It is super pigmented. So I'm just going to like tap it out and then work the outer corner and then to the crease and then just go back and forth motions. This is very pigmented, so love the color. It's so pretty. And just put like a little bit more bling because you see I made the other one very pigmented. The shade is like very darker than this one, so I just wanna, let me just zoom in a little like that. Then I'm going with this shade right here. It is called Devilish. I don't know why that is called that name, but it's called Devilish and it's like a cherry color, so I'm gonna use that onto my crease too. So what I'm doing, I'm just trying to build up my crease because I'm trying to create a look that I have in mind. So I'm gonna take my Luxie Tampered blending brush and I'm going right into this shade that I said, Devilish. It's like a darker cranberry shade. Love it. And I'm gonna work it to the crease. So Then I'm taking this shade right here. It is called Feels. So this is like a mauve pink shade, like a pink shade right here. This is gonna go onto my crease too. For the lid, I'm thinking about taking like a sparkly cherry shade. So the shade I picked was called Young Love. So this is the sparkly shade that I am talking about. So pretty, right? Such a beautiful sparkly cherry shade. And this is called Young Love. So that is gonna go for the lid. With my flat brush, and it's gonna go right here. I just sprayed the brush because I just want the Young Love shade, the shimmery shade right here, to be very pigmented. So I'm gonna try this once again. It's gonna go right here. For eyeliner, I'm going to take the NYX eye pencil. This is the Slim eye pencil by NYX Cosmetics. Okay, see. So I've just created like a normal liner look. I'm not doing no wing. I probably do a wing for New Year's Eve video, but in this video, no wing. Yeah, but I'm gonna do a wing on my next upcoming makeup tutorial. Then for mascara, I'm going to use my It Cosmetic Superhero Mascara. This one has like super volume and I absolutely love it so much. Look at the brush size. So fluffy and whatnot. I absolutely love it. Love this. It definitely gives like a great volume and it's so good. would like to say I hope you guys like enjoy this eye tutorial look with the Urban Decay Naked Cherry palette. It is so good. I love the cranberry shade. I feel that more eyeshadow palettes should have like cranberry shade than nudes. I feel like a lot of like eyeshadow palettes have a lot of like neutral shades and stuff like that. Not that many palettes have like cranberry shades, blue shades, purple shades. Those shades are like very rare, especially pink shades. Like next year for 2019 is very hard because there's not a lot of palettes that has like pink eyeshadow shades and whatnot. So next, for foundation, I'm gonna use my Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. This one is in the shade Soft Beige. This is my favorite foundation ever. Love it. Love the coverage on this, and it's so great for the holidays, especially like when you're like on a budget and you want something like full coverage, especially if you go to a holiday party event. This is great and it's super affordable. I love it. So I'm using my beauty blender to blend this out. Next, for concealer, I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Divine concealer. This one is in the shade C4. So for setting powder, I'm going to use my Kat Von D Locket setting powder. It's a translucent shade. I absolutely love the coverage on this. It is like so good. It definitely like conceal. The concealer locks everything in so the dark circles won't pop up during the day. I love it because I always have problems with dark circles, and when I don't have these babies covered up, like people think like I don't sleep. Like, come on, I do sleep. Like, so this is my trick, how I covered it. I will be doing a separate video on how I covered my dark circle. For bronzer, I'm using this Tarte Amazon Clay bronzer. I absolutely love this. I had this bronzer for a long time and it's so good. This is like the sample size of it, and look how much they gave me. I always use this. So good, super pigmented, and I love it. I love the way that it made my skin look so beautiful. Love it. For highlighter, I'm using my Ofra Rodeo Drive. I talk about this all the time and it's so good, like for the holidays. Ofra Cosmetics Rodeo Drive. It is so good, super pigmented, and it's so great for the holidays now, especially if you go into like a Christmas party or like Christmas exchange party, you know, any Christmas event. This is great. I love it. It's so pigmented. So I'm gonna take my Royal Nickel Glow Brush and just take a little bit because it's super pigmented, and then tap the excess out, and then look at this. What did I tell you? Super pigmented. Love it. So great for holidays. I'm gonna love it. Lastly, for the lips, I'm gonna use my E.l.F. liquid matte lipstick. I know you guys are tired of me using this liquid lipstick. I just recently got it, and I recently did this in a video already, but I want to try it again because I love this wine color. And then later I will definitely purchase some new wine shade lip colors. This is like basically my only new one. Sorry about the background. I'm just like addicted to this liquidizer by E.l.F. because it is super affordable. Do you guys see me? Super affordable. It like only costs $5, and I can't believe how the formula of this, it is so good. I love it. So I'm definitely gonna try more shades. And again, I'm sorry that I used this liquid lipstick again. Like I said, I'm gonna try to look for other brands that are wine shades because I love this. I love the color. I love the formula. It is nothing wrong about this product. To set my makeup, I'm gonna use my NYX Matte Finish setting spray. This is so good. I'm looking for trying like new setting sprays that are out in like in the drugstore and high-end. I'm looking for new setting sprays because I keep using the same thing over and over again. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on all the fun, all the makeup tutorial. And if you enjoyed this makeup tutorial using the Urban Decay Naked Cherry palette, please let me know in the comment below because I definitely want to know, you guys, what's your opinion, if you like it or not, because I read all the comments, I answer them, and I love it. So give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.